So you may have just noticed that I posted a video saying that the Beast from the East has delayed things as such with my X-H1 purchase. The moment I clicked submit to YouTube, I then received an email from WEX saying your camera's in stock. So I've made the trek in the weather and I am outside WEX and they're going to pick up my brand new X-H1. So I've been in, I have one for me and I have one for Ben, so look forward to an unboxing of those very shortly. The weather's horrendous, but I've just met Ben and I've handed over his X-H1, so he's a happy bunny. So yeah, we're now going to go and have a play with those beauties.
And get back in the warm.
Yeah. Okay guys, so here's the X-H1, a little bit earlier than expected, or should I say on time, which wasn't expected due to the Beast from the East, but I'm just going to open it up and just have a quick look. The first thing you notice is the box is a little bit bigger than what you get with a X-T2. I'm not going to be on this too much because we all know what's in boxes, but documents. First thing we come to is the body. So we'll have a look at this. I'm just filming this on the mobile phone for the time being because I can't really be bothered to get all my equipment out, but there's the body. Very nice looking thing. Looking forward to getting some test shots with that and doing some videos on its sort of performance compared to the X-T2. Again, here's another little box with obviously the accessories. Let's get this open. Usual stuff, battery. Like I said, I've only gone for the body only, so one battery with the little flash that we'll never use. Little clip there for if you're tethered, just to protect your body from the cable being pulled and damaging the connector. Battery charger, sling and plugs. So that's it. That's my quick unboxing of the X-H1. So that's a quick unboxing of the X-H1. Give us a thumbs up, give us a like, follow us because we are going to be doing some comparisons with the X-H1 compared to the X-T2. Going to test the IBIS, going to test the low light focusing, etc, etc. We're really excited about this new camera and we'd obviously like to share our videos with you, so please subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates on our purchase of the X-H1. Thanks for watching. My name's Nathan and I'm from the photography team.